Hi everyone, come with me to explore Landor. So Landor is a small colonial town just 4 kilometers away from Missouri, and it has Char Dukan and Chobis Makan only. And this is the Char Dukan where we sat at one of the shops and had momos, waffles and Rajma Chawal, which were pretty much okay. And I then sat at this spot for some nice pictures, met this cutie, and then we started our journey towards Landor Bake House. Yes, the famous, bakery that you see on Instagram. The distance was just 800 to 900 meters, so we decided to go by walking and enjoyed some beautiful views on our way. And then finally we reached Landor Wake House, and it was pretty much crowded. We had to wait approx 30 to 40 minutes for our turn, and when we got inside there were so many items. We were pretty much confused, but finally we ordered a chocolate croissant, veg cheese puff, which was very nice. Hot chocolate, it was not at all good because it had dried powder, it was not well made. And then the last and star of the show, Landor choco cake with icing. Oh my god, it's a must try. It was heaven. I have never had such, chocolate pastry cake, whatever you call it, in my life. It was heavenly. You should definitely try it. And then we decided to go to Lal Tibba. It's another famous tourist spot, and as we expected, it was pretty much crowded. And they had this telescope at their rooftop from where you can see Himalaya range or something. And honestly, I could not see anything from the telescope. I don't know why, what people were seeing. I enjoyed the view with my eyes only, and it was literally very nice, and recorded some nice clips also. And then we headed to the church, which was, by the way, closed because it was not Sunday. It opens only on Sunday. But this town, it's a very small and cozy colonial town. This was all about Landor, and we were done exploring everything about it by 4 p.m. We had some time in our hand, so we decided to head towards the Kempty Fall. And again, the way from Landor to Missouri and then ahead to Kempty Fall was very pretty and beautiful. And upon reaching Kempty Fall, this is the Kempty Fall. We saw it from distance, and upon reaching, we realized, we got to know that we have to go further down, like walking 300, 400 stairs to reach the actual spot of Kempty Fall. And we decided to quit this thing because we were very tired by that time, and it was getting really cold at that area. We saw the origin point of Kempty Fall. This was the origin point of Kempty Fall. We just climbed 20, 30 stairs from where it was kind of starting, and just saw what it is. We didn't go to the main point, just saw this beautiful moon and decided to call it the day.